Hello, viewers, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. I have taken time to explain the new agenda, the new direction being taken by Advocate Nelson Chamisa. But there is a much more clearer explanation which is right here. Let us try to dissect and understand what
political party politics. Tavakuita politics in Zimbabwe as a country. Everything that you must be doing, Murum village menu, and I am not Taurana Mai, Vangava Chimbo Fambana Mnangagwa Muti Mai. Yes, Mami Chifambana president in Zimbabwe, but Nzara Mudumbu Yawanda, Tadi Kubatrana Kuti another citizen president who can save us so that we can live a life. Chekupedzi sira mawanyenda taura ndati chikuru kusvika ukasvika uri pakeria ukasvika uri kubig city asi wasvika saka tofa wasvika takakwana nyaya yandoda kutaura pano yonzwa vazhinji mukatarisa vanonge vachitaura nyaya dzokuti we need mademonstrations, we what nyika haimbotorwi namademonstrations. Take my word, hakuna hakusi kutora nyika. Unotanga watema nyika yaunda kutungamirira, unoitungamirira sei waputsa. So you have got a clever president who is saying, God is in it. Mwarani nzira dzake dzokuunza nyika. Musaita mufungu panonzi tikataura kuti youth radicalization. Hatina kuti mayouth ndaye munoputsa miti vanhu nokurova vanhu nokuita sei. That's not what we are talking about. Youth radicalization yatiri kuda muZimbabwe ndeyekuti imi bambochivhaya mari makadziwa nepi dzamari kungotenderedza muchitenga maakwa muchipa vanhu. We need our money back. That's radicalization. Go and confront the thieves. Musabirwa makatarisa. Do radicalization yatiri kuda mayouth. Go and face them. Fight them direct. We don't need corruption in Zimbabwe. Fight corruption. Tikabvisa vanoba, tikabvisa matsotsi kumberi kwedu, Zimbabwe will never be the same again. Zimbabwe inochinja. Burunizvise tine matsotsi akawanda, tine mbavha.
So it's very clear this has become a focus now, right here in the nation of Zimbabwe, to say we have to make sure that we invade rural areas, we invade villages. So it's a matter of each and every person mastering his own village, mastering his own ward, his own constituency, to say we need to bring change to those areas. And we need to talk to people. Door-to-doors are very effective because they've proven to be the maximum or the best ways to convince people to vote for the opposition, because you have time to explain yourself, you have time to explain better in terms of the direction and the vision of your president. And if we do it now, right now as we speak, the politics in the village is quite penetrable to an extent that you can do your things without being labeled so much, because we are not in the election season. So when we do it now, we have more ample time and more opportunities to meet people without them being much victimized. At this point in time, you can see that FAZ is not much active. FAZ is not, they are not being paid. Their payments are seized, whatever, which means we have an opportunity and ample time to then give the direction in terms of what needs to happen. So it is happening on the village level. We are now focusing more beyond political party lines. It's no longer about the political party which President Nelson Chamisa belongs or whoever belongs. It's a national issue. It's a national question. We need to be able to deal with problems without looking at the political party which we belong to. We need to be able to say we have a citizen leader, we have a citizen president who is Advocate Nelson Chamisa. How is the regime able to hijack a citizen movement which is which does have President Nelson Chamisa is the face and people are just following and subscribing to it, you can actually see that it's very difficult to destroy such an institution and such a movement. So we are building from scratch, making sure that the information reaches the people, the information gets to the people. So it's not a matter of tapedza election, so we are now relaxing, no. We continue to work, tichitangira ipapo, tichirova basa sebasa, making sure that each and every village is liberated from ZANU-PF. And that is what we need to have. We need a president who's not going to say, you belong to that party, or I belong to this party, you're going to do ABCD. No. Health does not know political parties. Education doesn't know political parties. Hunger does not know political parties. What initiatives are you running if you're a member of the alternative? What initiatives are you running in your own village? Even if you are not presently there, make calls, talk to family, talk to friends, talk to them about the alternative movement led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa. And don't worry about the name of the political party to say, is he going to come with a political party? No, it's no longer about political parties. It's about the citizen movement. It's about bringing change, putting everybody behind change, uniting with everyone, which means we now have an opportunity to talk to people who belong to NDU, to ZANU-PF, to LEAD, to NCA, to all political parties. We bring them together, not under a political party, but under a citizen leadership of Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Then we move forward and we win Zimbabwe for change. So it's a matter of selling this ideology. It's a matter of making sure that this ideology is understood and is well marketed to the people of Zimbabwe. So I believe that it's very clear and it has been explained so well. Mobilization continues in various areas, various places. We have seen them in Midlands, in Masvingo. We have seen them in Mash East, Mash West. We have seen them in Manicaland, Blawayo, Mat North, Mat South. They are everywhere, making sure that they meet villagers, they meet people, and the word continues about change in the nation of Zimbabwe. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. Let us continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe.